Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Grindr login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Close the Grindr app. First, close the Grindr app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. Then find the Grindr app. Then swipe it up to close it. Now reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Open Safari and try loading in your website. If it does not load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open Grindr and try logging in again. Step 3. Update the Grindr app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Grindr app. If update is available, install it. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Then slide to power off. Wait about 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Grindr and try logging in again. Step 5. Check Grindr server status. If you still can't log in, the issue might be with Grindr servers. Open Safari and search Grindr server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. And that's how you can fix Grindr login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.